Let's have a look at checkout. First find an event, then click the basket button. This event is first aid at work. Now if you look at the basket, you will see this event has been added to my basket along with 2 products. I've added these 2 products onto this particular course template so that when a customer books onto this course, those products will automatically be added to their basket. Products can always be removed by clicking the red bin button. If a customer was to place an order themselves, they could also use this process by clicking the red bin button. Now let's assign the order to a customer. If it is a brand new customer that they don't exist in Genius, then you can fill in the form on the left-hand side. This will create a new account for that customer and place an order all at the same time. If they were an existing customer, you can use the search bars at the top. You can either search for the customer's surname or you can search for the company that they work for. I'm searching for the company Jacob's Biscuits, so I just type in the first 3 letters and Genius will find it for me. These are the employees of Jacob's Biscuits, so I click on the customer that I am looking for, in this case it is Steve. As Steve is an existing customer, Genius will pre-fill the form for me without creating a new account. This order will then be assigned to his existing account. Then we scroll down to the bottom and select our payment method. Now looking on the right hand side, you will see that this company receives a discount. I have added a company discount as default into this company's profile. You can see more about company discounts and how to add them in the help files. So because this company has a discount on their company profile, if they place an order or I place an order on their behalf, they automatically receive the discount. If required, I can always change the currency. Click on Change Currency and I'm going to select US dollars. Click Save Changes and you can see that my currency has now changed. So if I was to place this order, it would use this currency US dollars. My default currency is Great British Pounds, so I will revert back to that. If needed, I can add additional currencies. Just click Add Currency. Add the currency name, the tax rate and the currency symbol, and then click Add Currency. Your new currency will then be added into the currency list. You can also add customer notes here. These notes are private and the customer cannot see these. Scrolling up, we can change the quantity if needed, so I'll change this to 2 and also 2 sets of plasters. Click Update Basket and you can see here that this order is still assigned to Steve at Jacob's Biscuits and the checkout balance has now been updated. Select the payment method and how the customer heard about you, then click Complete Order. That's the order placed and an email has been sent to the customer as well.